In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. First of all, just launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then pick any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Manage keyboards thanks to this switcher and hit apply. To customize it though, click on the same icon and this time use plus icon under my themes. Then hit photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to left and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboards and choose apply. To make some adjustments to your keyboard, click on the same icon once again. Select your keyboard here and use pen icon. Then adjust it however you wish to. If you want to get rid of one of your themes, click on it and use bin icon also at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!